We have one little problem here that we're trying to figure out here at the project I've been working on is this is all great with this camera right here, but with the camera in the front, how do you turn on this camera all the way back here? We're going to do that with this little smart device coming up next. Hey guys, this is AJ. Thanks for stopping by. And on this channel, we focus on tips, training, strategies, reviews, and builds to help modernize your media ministry. So if you're new, consider subscribing. So I'm wrapping up my install here at a local church here in my city where I've actually did an entire system install. And the one issue that we've had to do is our media booth is all the way in that corner right there. But we have cameras all throughout the sanctuary. So we have ones here in the front. So that's real easy to have power because I just run a power line back there. But the issue is, how do you remotely control it and turn the camera on from here without leaving it on? So for whatever reason, the remote won't reach that far. So what's another way we can do it? So I had a couple of these sitting around. This is a TP-Link Smart Outlet, HS110. And pretty much because we also installed Wi-Fi through the entire church, thinking about kind of a smart way to have this stuff installed. I could put a IR sensor right on front of the camera, run a new line all the way through the basement, all the way back up through the conduit that we put over there. But I don't want to put a whole lot of effort into doing that, especially after we're sealing up everything right now. So I was going to try one of these. So just plug this in and we connect this to the Wi-Fi here, and then on a smart device or on a schedule, I can have this automatically be turned on a specific time. And that's what I'm planning on doing until they get comfortable with how to remotely turn everything on. So let's go through how we're going to simply set this up. All right, so before you say anything, this is a temporary setup right now. So we're not going to be running the way the cables are right now because we're waiting to put another outlet here under the baptismal. And I was going to do a switch, but I want to kind of make it easier for everyone. So right now, the setup is temporary. All right, so we're just pretty much just running an extension cord here from where the camera is coming down from up under the wall down under the baptismal pool. So all we're going to do is put this plug right there, and because of the Wi-Fi, we should have enough access reception back here to actually get internet connection. So let's go ahead and just set that up. And I previously used this plug, so I need to reset it. All right, so what I'm going to do is I have the TP-Link app on my phone, so I'm going to configure this way. So all I'm going to do is, like I said, I've previously used this before, so I'm going to go ahead and set it up here close to our Wi-Fi, even though I know the Wi-Fi will reach, but let me just go ahead and connect it while I'm right beside it. So all we're going to do is plug it in. All right, it's lit up and waiting for it to start blinking different colors, but it's not. So let's go ahead and, all right, now it's blinking both colors, orange and green. All right, so what we're going to do now is go inside the app and we're going to start getting some stuff set up. So let's go ahead and we're going to do new device here, the plus at the top, add a new device. We're going to pick the HS110. It's plugged in. Yes. Is it blinking those colors? Yes, it is. So it's going to try and detect this now. All right, that this was previously used. So let's go ahead and do reset. We're going to pick the Wi-Fi that we're on. All right, so we're connecting it to the Wi-Fi here. Make sure everything comes through fine here. You'll see it stopped blinking. And it says this may take a few moments for it to connect. All right, we are all connected. Now we just got to give it a name. So I'm just going to say smart outlet since it's the only one here in the church. All right, then the next screen, I can pick any type of icon or picture to go with it. I'm just going to go ahead and keep that one. Do save, and we're all done. All right, and there it is right now. So let's go ahead and relocate it where it needs to go and just make sure it has a signal, and we will test it out. All right, so I got the app open. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn on the smart outlet. As you can see, power just came to it. I should be doing this initial configurations here. Alright, and just as easily we can go in here and turn it off. Just gonna come in here and turn off the smart device. There it is, it's off. And back on. Alright, so I hope that helps. That was really simple, and I'll leave a link in the description on how you can get one of those. Pretty easy to set up, really nothing to it. But hopefully this will help out instead of having to run a long cable or IR blaster or something like that to go all the way back. Literally you can use it on your phone or on app on your desktop. Thanks again for watching, guys. Make sure you hit the like button, click subscribe, and also don't forget to hit the bell notification. That way you're notified when we come out with other new media ministry training tips, guides, and strategies. So again, guys, this is AJ. Thanks for watching.